Hi everyone, welcome to this new video lecture of AutoCAD. In this lecture, we'll discuss about the isometric view of a cone. So the question given here, draw the isometric projection of a cone of base diameter 50 mm and axis 60 mm. The cone has its base on the HP and VP. So we need to draw the isometric view of a cone in which one question is given when the axis of the cone is perpendicular to HP, another axis is perpendicular to VP. Its base on the HP means axis is perpendicular to horizontal plane. So let's draw in the AutoCAD. We'll go for the page setup, that is MV setup, paper space no, metric type M, and scale factor 1, and this is the height and width. So next I'll select this line. Let me just draw a reference line here. So this is our reference line. The circle diameter given is 50. So first I'll switch my ortho mode to the isometric mode. For that I can type OSNAP and I will just go for snap and grid, isometric snap, OK it. Now you can get the top view of the isotop. I got it. So I'll go for the line selection and just I'll draw one how much 50 diameter is there. So I'll 50, again here 50, again this side 50. Okay. Now again I just will join this corner point. This is at a time I'll just here 50. I'll just join this corner one. Okay. Now the center point I got it here. Now to draw one circle, what I'll go, I'll just type ellipse here. Okay. And we'll select the iso circle. Directly circle we cannot select it. We'll go for in this method because isometrically we are drawing the circle. So iso circle. So next we'll just join up to this point, midpoint. Okay, completed. Now this one again. This is the base part. Then what about the axis? Axis will draw one line from this one to. Now it is not coming this vertical way. So I'll just click on the F5 and I'll go for axis maybe 60. Oh yeah, 60 is there. I'll just join to the nearest point or to a tangent to that point. Okay. So here also similarly I can select it. Now this one, when you see this object cone from this side, that will be not, this inside part will be not visible. So what I'll do, I'll just trim this object. Okay. I'll just trim this object inside part. Okay. Now, but the inside is there, but that will be visible as a dotted line. So again, what we'll do, I'll just again ellipse and select this arc. Okay. And start point here. Let's start at this and end point of this and just join up to here and give an angle of 0 and this is 180. No, it is came in the reverse way. So what we'll do, we'll just go for ellipse and select this arc and select the starting point of this, now end point of this, and just join up to here and starting point angle is 0 degree and need to be completed here, or directly you can select here 180 you can give angle. So now you got this one, and this one will be given as a dotted line, and the remaining all the things we can select and just we can change our some color and thickness also can be changed here. Okay. And though the thickness was changed, it was not visible, so I'll go for display line width. Okay. Okay. Now this one need to be given as a dot lines. For that, I'll go for the line properties and load this. Now center line need to be given. This one center will select OK, and one more I'll select the dash line. So dash line also. This one I'll select OK. Now I'll select this and go for the dash line, and this one is your axis of this cone. So that one we can give as a center line of this. So this is the required cone for us. Now for this also we need to give the axis line and diameter of this. So axis height is 60 and other dimension also we can mark it linear. Just select this distance. This is linear distance, not align distance, not linear. So again we'll just select this one and select this one 50. Similarly this one also we can give in this 50. So that means diameter of the circle is given 50 and axis is 60. This is when the object is, when the cone is perpendicular to the horizontal plane. Okay, and here also again we need to give the text as we know. So this is, we can give here A point, we can give A, and this is B, and this is C point, this is D, center point is your O here, and this joining also you can give it E point, F, and this is the joining G, and here it is H, and this is O. O1 we can give, or O dash we can give, anything we can mention there. Okay, and here reference line we can mark it as a XY. Yeah, this is for one side when the cone is perpendicular to HP. Another question was given when the cone is perpendicular to vertical plane. So that is also simple. Again, we will just select one line. Now it is, yeah, iso right mode. So I'll select in this side how much is there. Yeah, 50, and I'll go for top height 50. Again this side 50. Again I'll come to down 50. I'll just join this one, and here joining point, and this one join. Okay, now this is completed. Box is completed for the circle. Now for that also I'll go for the ellipse, iso circle, select this center point of this, and just join to the midpoint of that. Okay, now again axis line selects, and select the center point, click F5 so that it will come in that way, 60, and just join to the nearest point. Similarly again select this line and just join to the nearest object of that. And similarly these are the parts we can trim it, which will be not visible to us. Okay, and here also need to be trimmed. Now let's check it whether the joint is proper or not. Yeah, it is properly joined. So let's check this side. Yeah, it is also good. Now these things again I'll just highlight this, all this, and the required answer for us. I'll just increase the thickness, and I'll change this color. Now this side also one more arc need to be drawn. So how we drawn the previously, same things, same method can be followed here. Okay, I'll just go for ellipse and select the arc, and select this point, select this second one, and just click on that. Now it is asking angle 0. Now again it should be 180, or you can click here. Now this one need to be given as a dotted line. So this is dashed line, not dotted line, dashed line actually. And this is color also can be changed. This one we need to give thick line, thin line also enough, no issue. And this one also you can just write it by layer and center line of this. Okay, now when the axis is, or the cone is resting on the vertical plane, or you can say the cone is perpendicular to the vertical plane, anything can be taken there. And similarly here also dimension also need to be given. Okay, and the axis height also need to be given from here to here. And similarly other text also need to be given. Angle also, if you want to see the angle how much is there, so that also can be given here. This base to the this one, and similarly this to this, and here also. And text also we just can copy all this text and we can paste it here. Okay, so I hope you understood how to draw a cone in the isometric view. So this is the answer regarding this. Okay, so here also one method was given, like joining of corner to other midpoint of that line. So this method also simple only, same method, same answer you will get it here. There is no difference is there. Okay, similar kind of circle will achieved here. So I hope you clear how to draw this cone and isometrically when the axis is perpendicular to HP and when the axis is perpendicular to vertical plane. If you are having any kind of doubt regarding this, you can give a comment on the comment box. Thank you all.